Now let's consider a concept that AI is becoming everyday infrastructure. Throughout history, many transformative technologies followed a similar pattern. When electricity was first introduced, it was viewed as remarkable and unfamiliar. Over time, it became part of everyday infrastructure. People stopped thinking about electricity itself and focused instead on what it enabled. The internet followed a similar path. Today, most people don't think about internet technology every time they send a message or watch a video. Many experts believe artificial intelligence may follow a similar trajectory. As AI becomes more integrated into products and services, people may focus less on the technology itself and more on the experiences it enables. Understanding this trend helps us appreciate why AI literacy matters. We are not simply learning about a new technology. We are learning about a technology that is becoming woven into the fabric of modern life. Now let's look at the key takeaways. And let's summarize what we have learned so far. Artificial intelligence is not just a future technology. It is already part of many everyday experiences. AI helps personalize recommendations, organize information, support communication, improve navigation, and enhance digital services. Much of today's AI operates behind the scenes, making it easy to overlook. However, becoming aware of these interactions is an important step towards developing AI literacy. Now that we have explored why AI literacy matters and where AI appears in everyday life, we are ready to answer a fundamental question. What exactly is artificial intelligence? In the next section, we will begin exploring the core concepts and definitions that form the foundation of AI literacy. I will see you in the next section. Ready to go further? Continue your learning journey with the complete AI literacy course titled AI Literacy for the Modern World: Artificial Intelligence Essentials, where we explore AI concepts in simple language, discuss real-world applications, and understand the limitations and ethical considerations of AI. So keep learning, keep growing. Your AI-powered future starts here.